But kitties, look at this. I told you the wind was not a joke. That's siding on our roof hanging down. I think that's siding.
It looks to me to be twisted too. Up in the hinge type to the left. The wire itself looks like it's twisted around those little pegs, which will make it a little tougher to get off there.
No, I'm not going to go outside and look at it. Because I don't want those nails in my skull.
No reason to go outside.
Yep. Storm damage. That's kind of scary. But at least that's not like electrical wires, so this is not going to like...
The electrical wires are upright.
Yeah, so it's just phone and cable. So we wouldn't just lose power, we just lose our TVs and phone and internet. Yeah, nice. It's so isolated because we don't own cell phones in here. This is why we need them. This is why we need to get cell phones somehow. Like the only family on the earth doesn't have a cell phone.
No, the electric wires are up higher.
Oh,
Down.
yeah.
See?
I know where they are. They're up where the tree is, and...
They come down to the top of the house. They don't go.
No. But... the rain is heavier. The rain's getting heavier. Yeah. The wind just keeps blowing it around. Okay, yeah, we got a handyman coming to fix this right now.